Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro from your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And right here, you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then press Forget this device and Forget device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case, because we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!